Hi people, my name is Sawarth Gain. Today I will tell you few more interesting coding about the Java programming. So let's start. First of all, I want to show the checkbox example. I previous video I saw that example. So okay, that I want to show again. Then discuss another program. Then Java and then what? Checkbox example. Then we see the checkbox here that two checkbox I created. Okay, instead of two you can create a many checkbox. So that is the checkbox example coding. Okay, so now I'm going to color choosers example. That is the color choosers coding. You can see how can be that work. So first of all, color chooser. Okay, so that is one window will be open here. So color, I want to select the color here. Suppose I want to select the color red. Okay, then that color will be changed. I want to change that is green, that will be changed. I want to uh, click here CMYK, then cyan, magenta, yellow, and that will be I want to set and click there. And okay, the color will change. I here also RGB, that means red, green, blue. Click here green, click here blue, and click red. Anything, and there many options will be okay. So in that manner, you have to change your color. Okay, saturation value is HSL, that means saturation lightness, that is the lightness of your color. Okay, so now I'm going to show another example, that is the combo box example. It is the one type of combo box. So that is the coding. Now I'm to say that CMD dir, and that is the combo box. Okay, and then combo box example. That is the uh, combo box example. Here I can click Australia, USA, England, New Zealand. Okay, that is the combo box example. That is the coding of combo box example. Okay, now I want to show check Java checkbox menu item example. Checkbox menu item example. That is the little bit large one. Okay, that checkbox menu item. Okay, now I want to execute that one. Checkbox menu item. Okay, now that one is so that is the checkbox menu item, and here is the one file. That is the file. I click menu will be created there, and when I click the file, the two options will be open. One is the open, another is the option one. I click here option one, then it will be change the value one. Okay, then I click again, then it will be two value change. Then I click value one. Okay, that is the other program. Now I want to show the list example. List example. Java list example. Control V. So that is the list example, item 1, item 2, that are the list example. So the coding of the list example is there. You can um, type on your system. Okay, now another is the menu example. That is the menu example coding. I'm going to execute that one. Menu example. So menu example. So that is the menu bar. I already created that type of example. Item 1, item 2, item 3. Sub menu also be created here. Okay, that is the sub menu created. In the coding part, you can see I give the codes of for sub menu. Okay, And now there is the option panel example. That is the option. One message will be open uh, from your window, uh, so you can see that message. Okay, like a warning type message or welcome type message. Okay, so that is the what option panel example. Option panel example. So option panel example, the message will be clear. Hello, welcome to IIT KGP or Kharagpur. So that okay, you can click OK, then that message will vanish. Another is the password field example. That is the password field example coding. That coding. Okay, and now I am going to discuss that one also. CMD. Okay, dir and Java password field. Java password field. Okay, password field is what? Password field. Password field. You have to give the class file. Okay, class name here. Then you can password field example will be here. If I give the username, suppose Ram, and tab, tab means next. Tab means next column. Okay, next row. Sorry, next row. And then I give the password A B C D. Order within. So then click login. Then you can see username is Ram and password is ABCD. Dot, dot, dot. Okay, you can zoom it. Okay, now I'm going to close that one, and that is password field example over. Now the pop-up menu example. Sorry, that is the class file. Pop-up menu example. That is the pop-up menu example. You can see the code. Pop-up menu example. Here is the card copy paste present. So now I'm going to execute that one. Then dir Java pop-up menu example. Okay, Control C, Control V. Then you can see the pop-up window will be created here, and then right click, and then card copy paste option will be here. Okay, now if you now going to next is the progress bar example. That one also very interesting example. You can write that code on your system also. Okay, now dir and Java progress bar. Okay, progress bar example. You can see the new progress bars will be created, and that will be fill up to 100%. So that is called progress bar. That automatically progress. Okay, like loading also. Uh, then I'm going to show the radio bottom example. Okay, next one is radio bottom. That is the radio bottom. It is the similar type of checkbox. It is similar type of checkbox example. Okay, so radio bottom is similar type of checkbox example. Okay, radio bottom. Okay, I don't type. I just copy it. Class name and paste it here. That is the similar type of checkbox example. Okay, similar type of checkbox example. And I mark at a time two column also. I discuss the previous video. You can see that video from the description. I give the link that video. Okay, that is the checkbox example, like checkbox example. So after that, slider example. That is the very interesting one. Slider example. That is the code here, and now I am going to execute that one. Slider one. Okay, slider. That is the slider example. So you can see the slider will be created here. One slider will be created here. A big it, that is, so that is a slider. You can slide it any here. Okay, now another example, that is the spinner example. Spinner example is there. There is a spinner one. So okay, the uh, part of Java spinner one. I want to execute that one. Okay, so spinner will be come here. The spinner is going to up to limit is 10. I keep the limit is at 10. Okay, you can type here any code that is not right. Okay, so lower limit is 0 and upper limit is 10. Okay, lower limit is 0, upper limit is 10. I set the limit here. Okay, now another example, tapped panel example. Okay, tapped panel example, that is the code. Now cmd dir tapped panel example. Yes, Java. Type here. So here is the tap panel, one tap, two tap, three tap. For help to visit website or main that is the home page, or visit website and help, three pair will be created. Okay, and another is the table example, that is the coding here. Table example is there, cmd dir java Java table example is there. Table example of Java is there. Okay, that is the table example. You can see the table example is there. Okay, so that is the table, and now the table example code is, I already saw that one. Now the area text field area example is there. Okay, after the table example, the text field area example, there is the table example. Test field area example, you can see that. I'm going to execute that one, cmd dir java text field area example. Okay, text field area example one, that one also text field area example. So that is the text field area example. Okay, here I type count word. Okay, count word means what? The word is nothing here, so I type here two character. Then count word. The character is two here. Okay, word is one. Then I type three. Then character is three, and then space. And then I give the space here. Okay, then type another. Suppose type ram. Okay, one three character is present and word is two. Okay, then count word. Sorry, that is the space also will be counted there. Okay, now here is the two character, give the one space. Okay, one space and then type uipe, and then 6 and 4, that is this. Okay, character also count the space one. Okay, character also count the space one, and that is the three word, and character each, uh, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 character, because you have to count the space one also. Okay, the 12 character. Okay, the word is 3. Now another one, that is the text field example, that is the text field example, that is the text field. Okay, that is the text field example. I want to slow, little bit slower. Okay, now uh, that is cmd for executing that one, dir text field example. So text field example, control c control v. Okay, and then type at java, and then okay. So that is the text field example. If you give the value of 5 and give the value of 4, then add their value is 5 plus 4, that is 9. Then subtract, that is 1. If you give 5, okay, and give here 7, that will be give the minus values. Okay, minus 2. Okay, now the text field, that is the code, I already showing it. Okay, now the toggle bottom example also, toggle bottom example code is there, that is the toggle bottom example code. So you can see that code, and then cmd type as cmd, and then dir then Java. Okay, toggle bottom example Java. Okay, and now you can see the toggle bottom will be open. There is nothing here. I click here on, then open, off. Click on and off. There is toggling, either on, either off, either true, either false. Okay, that code is I already showing. And now another program is the tree example. That is a tree example. You can see the tree. Okay, like a tree. Uh, that is a tree example. So like a tree example. So now I'm going to execute that one also. Java tree example. Okay, you can see the tree is going here. That tree is showing here. So that is the one parent is style, another sub is the color, and there another in this color another sub tree also present, red, blue, black, green, many colors there. And style also, the style is font style, colors. Okay, that one also. So thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe my channel So Hard to Guide, and subscribe a new 4 tips channel also. Thank you for watching this video.